And you know, as far as I could see, the old notion that a bachelor's life was so glamorous and carefree was all nonsense. It was downright dull. It was plain to see that my old pet needed someone. But if it were left up to Roger, we'd be bachelors forever. He was married to his work, writing songs. Songs about romance, of all things. Something he knew absolutely nothing about. Oh, he's intelligent enough, as humans go. And I think you could say Roger is a rather handsome animal in his way. I could see no reason why my pet didn't deserve an attractive mate. At least, I was determined to do my best. Of course, dogs are a pretty poor judge of human beauty. But I had a rough idea of what to look for. Unusual breed. Very unusual. Oh, surely not. Well, now, what have we here? Well, a little too short couple. Nope. I say. Oh, well, I do say. Now, there's a fancy breed. Perhaps a little too fancy. Yes, there's much too fancy. Too old. Too young. It was a problem. A real problem. Well, now that's a bit more like it. The most beautiful creature on 4 legs. Oh, now, if only the girl... Well, she's very lovely, too. It was almost too good to be true. I'd never find another pair like that, not if I looked for 100 years. They were heading for the park. A perfect meeting place. If I could only arrange it. But Roger never stopped work till after 5. That'd be too late.